Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at the Middle East conflict ongoing because it was supposed to have a ceasefire confirmed, but because that hasn't happened, we've seen a slight uptick in gold and we're hitting a triple top at the moment. If you see on the charts on the 8 hour, you can put this on the daily chart. I just want to go a little bit more intraday at the moment. So we're just waiting to see what the next amount of news is, where we're going to go next. If we do crack this particular top, then we could see another rise towards another record high above 2,800. But at the moment, the fact that we've cracked 2,700, if we can stay above that particular target, then price action could be elevated towards the end of the trading day. Not too much in the way of fundamentals at the moment because we're just waiting to see, obviously, for Monday, which is Donald Trump's inauguration. So that could actually start having a big effect on not only the dollar but gold as well. So just keep an eye out on if Donald Trump does start having implementing procedures on his first day in office, it could lead to possibly another move to the upside for gold. Dollar could actually start coming down. You know, this big rhetoric, make America great again. For the foreseeable future, we could see a bit of a weakness on the dollar as we're just looking at now because price action was already on the downside, which was noted in my last video. But now we're just seeing a little bit more of a pull because, you know, if trade tariffs, trade wars, whatever you want to call them, if they start emerging, then it could mean that inflation could start moving higher, and with deregulation in a lot of firms, we could see inflation start spiking quite significantly. So CPI data this week saw a small bringing to 2.9% year on year. Core inflation did drop slightly, but it might not be enough to really start sinking our teeth into that magical 2% target that the Fed has in store. So we'll wait and see. Lots of things to look forward to in the market though. Obviously Monday could bring a lot of good opportunities in gold and the dollar, so keep an eye on that. Today though, not too much in the way of movement. We've had a slight record high on the FTSE 100 in the UK, even though retail sales fell into a negative. So just keep an eye out on that as well for big moves in the market. But for the dollar, we're just waiting to see if this is going to be more of a full-blown correction before we start moving a little bit more downwards. But as usual, bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly. Have a great trading day ahead, great weekend ahead, and we'll speak again next week when it's the big inauguration on Monday. Bye for now.